everybody does. And they call it junk DNA because they can't tell what it's doing because it's multidimensional. Right. And so
Oh,
what we're doing is we're going in and we're asking, okay, activate these strands of DNA. And what we're finding through this work is that these strands of DNAs have what we call technologies. So they're activating very specific frequencies that are moving through our consciousness, and they're showing us what we are beyond what we were told what we are. And some of those technologies are going to be things like telepathy. They're going to be things like teleportation and all these things that more, there are lots of beings in our universe. I think we all can agree to that at this point. And there are other beings in this universe that are also third dimension. They're in bodies, but they're able to do the things that are also stored in our DNA. But because we are limited within what we're able to tap into consciously, and that's part of the evolution of our species, right? Is that we too are going to start to tap into these technologies, but we're doing it through our DNA because those our DNA have, if you really think about it, our DNA is an expression of source. And when we can get out of the way and allow those expressions to turn on, we find out that we're not what we think we are. And I think the more that we can just rest in that and just explore it. So again, back to your question, anyways, is that you already have 12 strands. And so these other 12 strands that are turning on are going to change the way that we experience our biology, because right now we're only experiencing two of 12. So yes,